Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Reza Pahlevi and I am a student from University Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. And today we are going to learn or talking about label text, but we only focus on the food and drink label. So what is label actually? Label is a small piece of paper, fabric, plastic, or similar material. That is definition of label. And what kind of labels? The first one is food label. And this is an example from food label. And the second one is drink label. And this is an example of drink label. And the last one is medicine label. And this is an example of medicine label. Now, what is the social function of label? The social function of label is to give information about the product in detail. And let's move into the parts of label. So there is a number here, and the number will explain what parts in the label. So number 1 is pizza, and this is name of product. And number 2, bake and rice, and this is descriptions. Number 3 is content or amount, or in Indonesian we call isi. Isinya ada berapa? Okay, number 4 is ingredients. So there are some ingredients here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And number 5 is nutrition facts. Number 6 is direction to use. But in this label, there is no direction to use. So we skip it and move into the number 7. Number 7. Keep frozen, and this is the direction to store. And the last one is expiration date. But in this label, there is no expiration date. Okay, so that's all for our learn today about label text. So if you have question, let me know, and thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.